AMC stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all this down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. So I have seen what's working for me and what's not. And generally speaking, it's just a bearish market in which I hope, this is kind of last chance. But AMC, I took a quick little long here beforehand. And that turned out to be, very good timing, and that delivered, right? That was great 2 weeks ago. But since then, we are coming back. This is kind of last hope. So the only thing that's gonna kind of revive this is a double break here. And if I don't see that happening or anything like that similar, then there's just no way I'm buying. Bro, it doesn't really get simpler than that, honestly speaking. So I do have a lot of receipts here in the Discord with 53 results. Let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy.